So moving forward, we have two honors programs at the college. So we have two selective admissions programs, the Hill Scholars Honors Program and the STEM Scholars Honors Programs. So both of these programs are designed for graduating seniors entering their first year of college who are willing to commit to 2 years at Carroll and earn their associate degree. So again, these programs are selective. Admissions is based on GPA, SAT scores, extracurricular activities, and the rigor of high school coursework. So unfortunately, the deadline has passed for fall 2020, but it's a great opportunity for rising juniors and rising seniors. So the Hill Scholars Program is intended for any major. So students participate in honor seminar courses each of the 4 semesters that they are enrolled at Carroll. And then each semester they balance their course load with classes that they need to take for their major and classes that they take for general education requirements. And they would take those as a Hill Scholar cohort. Now the STEM Scholars Program is specific for STEM majors. And because general education requirements are so unique for these programs, students don't take core classes together. However, they do take a cohort seminar class that provides lots of opportunities for them, such as different professional development opportunities, transfer trips, portfolio development, guest speakers, and then they also complete a very high-level interdisciplinary collaborative research project in their final semester, and that provides a great experience for them, and it's a great opportunity for them when they transfer on to their 4-year institution.